Well, good Thursday morning, everybody. Meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you. Another check of your forecast on this August 22nd. That means that today we are officially 1 month away from the autumnal equinox, the first day of fall, astronomical fall. That will happen September 22nd at 8:43 in the morning. Now, in the meteorological community, fall starts September 1st, and it runs September, October, and November. And the Climate Prediction Center is out with their outlook for what they think fall will shape up like. And for us here in the tri-state, there is pretty strong confidence in above average temperatures throughout September, October, and November. That doesn't mean we can't get some bouts of below average temperatures, but when you look at those 3 months overall, right now it is looking warmer. When we look at precipitation, you get equal chances here of above or below normal, and typically that means average precipitation, except for far western areas, west of Kentucky Lake, where we could see there is some confidence in below average precipitation. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Meanwhile, today it may feel like it is early fall out there, with temperatures once again struggling to get out of the upper 70s and into the lower 80s, but I think most of us will hit the lower 80s today. We'll also see a slight uptick in high-level cloudiness by this evening and tonight, and then again, really nitpicking if we're complaining about high-level clouds here. Those could stick around for a good part of the night before more sunshine rolls in here by the time we get to tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon as well. But again, notice here by lunchtime tomorrow, still upper 70s and lower 80s, remaining very, very comfortable. So we'll see a couple of clouds around here by dinner time. Other than that, a degree or two warmer than we were yesterday. We should see more lower 80s than upper 70s across the tri-state here. Notice on this map, only Princeton is in the upper 70s, but the majority of the day will be spent there. We might get into the upper 80s for an hour or two this evening. Dry and comfortable yet again tonight under partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the 60s. And then when we look at the extended forecast, notice how much temperatures warm up. Mid 80s by Friday and then into the 90s for the weekend. Lower 90s Saturday and Sunday, mid 90s by Monday and Tuesday. And by Monday, we will start to notice a slight uptick in humidity.